The Earth is not round. So if you've ever used a GPS to get directions, you need to thank Gladys West. You might picture the world as a perfect sphere, but in reality, rotation causes a bulge around the equator, and the surface of the Earth is covered with mountains and valleys and seas that are constantly changing. So for GPS to work, we need Geodesy, not the Odyssey. It's not a trip around the world, it's the study of how the world is shaped. Although Gladys's math journey was quite the odyssey in itself. Born in rural Virginia in 1930, she knew she didn't want to work in the fields like her parents. So when she found out the top 2 students in her school would get a full college scholarship, she saw her map to a different future, and she graduated valedictorian. She got her bachelor's and master's degrees in math, teaching a bit in between, and then spent 42 years doing math with the Navy to study the Earth. She was a computer programmer back when you couldn't work from home because the computers were the size of an entire room. The calculations that came from these programs made it possible to develop a model for a geoid, the exact shape of the Earth. And this precision is what allows a GPS today to be so accurate. So after all her brilliant math, getting inducted into the US Air Force Hall of Fame, winning a Webby Lifetime Achievement Award, how much did Gladys use the GPS made possible by her contributions?
I would say minimal. I prefer maps.